In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from your trading account smoothly and efficiently. It's important to know how this process works to ensure your funds move securely and quickly. Let's dive in and guide you through each essential step so you can manage your finances with ease. First, you're going to want to log into your trading account. Head over to your broker's website or open their app on your device. Make sure to enter your login credentials carefully. Keeping your login information secure is absolutely crucial, as this will protect your account from unauthorized access. In case you encounter any password issues, use the Forgot Password option to reset it securely. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is finding the withdrawal section. Most platforms make this simple to access. Look for it under the Account or Funds tab, often clearly labeled to assist users like you in managing transactions efficiently. If you're having trouble finding it, consult the Help or Support section of your trading platform for guidance. Verification of your identity is a key step, and rightfully so. It ensures that your funds go directly to you. This process often includes submitting identification documents such as a driver's license or passport. Make sure those documents are clear and valid. This step may feel like a hurdle, but it's designed to protect you and your funds, aligning with financial regulations aimed at minimizing fraud. After your identity is verified, the next task is selecting your withdrawal method. Common options include bank transfers, wire transfers, or electronic payment systems like PayPal. Consider the potential fees and the processing time each method takes. For instance, bank transfers may take a few days, whereas electronic payment systems might process instantly. This choice largely depends on what's most convenient and efficient for you. Now, it's time to review and confirm your withdrawal request. Double-check the details, the amount you're withdrawing, destination account information, and confirm everything matches your intention. This is where taking a moment to pause and validate your transaction can prevent mistakes. Accuracy ensures no unwanted surprises or delays down the road. The next part involves monitoring the progress of your request. Most trading platforms provide a section where you can track the status of your withdrawal. Keep an eye on this to know when to expect the funds. Some platforms even send email notifications as the process progresses, so stay attuned to your inbox. Finally, once all these steps are completed, you should receive your funds. The timeline for this depends on the method you've selected and any intermediary steps involved. Celebrate the seamless process by keeping a record of the transaction, noting any fees or deductions for future reference. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated through the process of withdrawing funds from your trading account. With this knowledge, Joe, you can manage your finances more confidently, knowing exactly what to expect with each transaction. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading.